So I've been asked, what do people use? You know, what tools do I use? So I thought I'd show you. I've got a little fork, and that loosens my soil nicely. So this one is very useful, because sometimes you get clumps in your compost and you just use it to loosen it. This is a Wilkinson sword. My trusty trowel, love these. Again, similar reason. In here I would use it to loosen. Don't need to have both, just, you know, one or the other. Like a dibber. If you're in harder soil, like say, I'm going to go here, and it's a bit harder, it's more together, and you need to make a hole, narrow hole. This one is perfect. You can see the hole, not too wide, handy for planting leeks and that. So that's a really useful one. And then I've got a dibber, two types of dibber, that big one and a small one. Now the small one is useful. Say I'm planting a plant in here. Let me find a plant. And if it's a small plant, this smaller dibber, you can just make the hole big enough. Say like a tomato plant or a pepper plant or aubergine, and you're transplanting them. That hole is just big enough for it to put the root in, the plant in, and away you go. This is a bigger. I use this also for leeks, but I found a broad bean. That bigger one made the hole just a bit bigger, and you can cover it. My broad bean will now happily grow. So this is some of the tools I use. This one is very handy early on, but as the plants get bigger, you do need a bigger one. And this is some of the ones. Well, these are my main ones actually. And with that, I'm happy as Larry, or happy as Freddy, or Reggie, or whatever name your doggy is called.